When it comes to choosing a manufactured home, it's all about trust. Trust that your factory home is built with precision engineering that's designed to weather any storm. Trust that you can get exactly the customizations you need at a price point you can afford. And trust that you're working with the kind of people who will be there for you every step of the way, even long after you've moved in. At Palm Harbor Village, we take your trust very seriously. That's why we've been meeting all of these needs and more for our customers for over 40 years. As a 7-time Manufactured Home Builder of the Year and Forbes Top 100 Best Small Company, we're proud of the fact our industry recognizes us as a leader. But what we're most proud of is that we have tens of thousands of satisfied customers, and more than half of the homes we sell today are for people who were referred to us by someone they trust. That's because from flexible financing options to money-saving, energy-efficient construction to warranty programs that provide long-lasting peace of mind, we're committed to complete satisfaction in the home buying process. This also means utilizing technology, allowing for virtual tours and online meetings that work with your lifestyle in mind. Because at Palm Harbor Homes, nothing matters more than you trusting that we will provide the high-quality, factory-built home of your dreams. Dare to compare.